With the Harbor Freight parking lot sale over now, they have their spring coupons. They started on March 10th and they're going to Sunday, March 23rd. So jumping right in here, we're going to look at some hand tools. And this one is from Icon. It's a 1/4 inch drive professional swivel head ratchet with comfort grip for $24.99. It was $34.99. It's 28% off. And you can get up to 2 at this price. It has a 90-tooth gear mechanism producing a tight 4-degree arc swing for easy work in small spaces. Next, from Pittsburgh, is this carbon steel SAE tap and die set. It's a 40-piece set for $18.99. You're going to be saving 13% on this. Now stay tuned. I am going to give away a free tool in this video, and that's going to be around the midway point somewhere, and I'm going to let you know how to get that. Now from Quinn, you have this 3/8 of an inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket wrench. It's a 48-piece set for $79.99. It was $89.99. It's 11% off. And I really miss, during the parking lot sale, they had 40% off all Quinn ratchet and socket sets. But this is still decent. It's 11% off, $89.99. So it's something, you know. But I do definitely miss those 40% off deals that they had in store. Let me know in the comments if you picked anything up from the parking lot sale. I would really love to hear that, guys. Next, from Pittsburgh, you have this 1/2 inch drive impact socket set, extension set. It's a 4-piece set, $6.99. It was $9.99, so you're saving 30% off. And these just help extend the reach of your impact wrench. Now from Quinn, this is the 3/8 of an inch drive low profile sealed head ratchet. Has some good ratings, about 4.7 stars at $17.99. It's 18% off. And this has that 4-degree arc as well. This is just a classic sledgehammer, 10-pound fiberglass sledgehammer for $22.99. This is 23% off. It was $29.99. Now from Quinn is this 1/2 inch drive extendable breaker bar. This is $19.99. 20% off. It was $24. And this bar extends from 16 inches to 24 3/4 inches for that extra torque and leverage if you're having trouble with lug nuts or screws. They're just using it on a brake pad there. Now from Doyle is this 10-inch adjustable soft jaw plier for $19.99. It's 20% off. Now these adjustable pliers have a removable soft jaw that can prevent damage to cannon plugs on aircraft, as well as whatever you really need it for. I can think of using it on a faucet as well to get off the ends of the faucet to work on those and clean those out. They have 22 adjustable positions here with a maximum 3-inch jaw capacity as well. Now from Icon, you've got these 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers. They have the hatch teeth for superior grip, strength, and then overall control. Really good ratings on these. It has 214 5-star ratings with 24% off. These were $19 and they're now going to be $14.99. Bunker Hill Security has these 1,000 lumen solar powered motion activated peel and stick waterproof security lights. Now these are cool because they're 16% off at $24, but you can use them outside. They generally just in the pictures have them kind of under like a little area that's under a lip or something where they won't be totally wet, but you can just put them up over your garage, over doors. You can put them on your back door. And again, you don't have to screw these into the outside of the house because they are peel and stick. But just keep in mind, you wouldn't want to get these totally wet probably. Now this is a powerful Braun flashlight, 7,000 lumens. In store, I have not seen one of these before, but this is super powerful. It's a 7,000 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED flashlight with battery bank. $54.99. It's 15% off. It was $64. And these are pretty rugged. I think they're waterproof and have a runtime of up to 46 hours for lasting light. And you can also recharge your phone with these because they are basically a battery or a power bank. And they have the 3-tooth striking edge so you can break glass or take care of yourself during emergencies. From Luminar Outdoor now are these 10-inch solar LED copper finished pathway lights. These do come in a 10-pack at 25% off. They're $14.99. And these illuminate for up to 9 hours. So these are nice, and this is what they look like in the evening or nighttime here. Now next up from Gordon are these multi-purpose scissors. They have a pretty good rating. They're only 69 cents. You can get up to 4 at this price, and this is a 30% off coupon. Again, you can get this online or in store, but you have to have the coupon. Now guys, this is the free tool that I'm giving away. I really like these OBD2 diagnostic readers. This is from XTool. It's their Advancer AD20 Pro. You can look it up on Amazon. You can reset OBD2 codes with your car, look them up, and it has all kinds of features, comes with an app, but it's no subscription needed for that either. Now to get this, you have to be living in the United States for shipping purposes, and list below what the Quinn deal was from the parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. Tell me the percentage off that was for their ratchet and socket sets. Now next up for Franklin is this 18-inch 1470 foot high performance stretch wrap. This is $24.99. It's 16% off coupon. This is great for just binding stuff up. If you're moving, you can bind together boxes, attach the moving blankets to things so they won't fall off. These have a really good rating at about 3,000 5-star reviews. Now from Central Machinery, these 17-inch mini magnetic sweepers for $10.99, that's 26% off. These are gonna get up stray screws, nails, things like that. If you do roof work, this is good to run around the yard a few times after you throw off some of those shingles so they won't be mowing the yard and spraying screws everywhere. Now from Atlas is this 80 volt, 2.5 amp hour and 40 volt, 5 amp hour lithium ion battery. High ratings, $109.99. You're getting 30 bucks off here. This is a powerful, fade-free, high quality 80 volt and 40 volt battery for all those outdoor Atlas tools. Atlas is kind of their outdoor brand at Harbor Freight, and the batteries are the things that cost even more than some of the tools. Now from Greenwood is this 4-gallon backpack sprayer. It's $21.99. It's going to be 21% off. And this is saying you're going to save big to keep your garden healthy. You can put whatever chemicals you need. And this also comes with different, everything pictured, and the different sprayer nozzles down below too. You have the dual nozzle on the left here, and then the different specialty nozzles on the right. Now from Portland is this 3.5 amp 22-inch electric hedge trimmer. This is $29.99. This is going to be 14% off. Was $34.99. Just remember this is corded, but for me, I've only used corded ones, so I don't mind at all. And this delivers reliable, quiet power, it's saying. Great for bushes, things like that. From Atlas, you've got this battery charger. It's a 40 volt and 80 volt dual voltage standard charger for $24.99. This is going to be 50% off, so 50. That's one of the biggest coupons I've seen for something that's not a small dollar deal. Now this is great because you can charge those big, kind of more expensive batteries from them. Now from Bowers, this 5.5 amp 15-inch electric string trimmer. This is going to be $39.99. It was $44.99, so you're getting 11% off. And this is one of their reliable, high dependable corded string trimmers, delivering up to 45% more power, they're saying. This is a close-up of the actual head of it and underneath, and then you can just turn it sideways. In the picture, they're using it as an edger as well. Next from Hercules is this 14-inch segmented diamond blade for $49.99. You're getting this 44% off, which is a pretty good deal. It was $89.99. And in this picture, look, this picture is clear, but going back to this one, does this one seem pixelated to you? I think I was like bugging out or something. Next from Warrior is this 3/4 inch to 2.5 inch bimetal hole saw assorted set. It's a 14-piece set for $29.99. It's going to be 25% off. And guys, let me know what you think of the Warrior tools. And speaking of that, next up we have their 12-volt cordless 3/8 of an inch drill kit with battery and charger. This is only $16.99. So this whole kit is less than $17. If you've bought a Warrior tool like this, let me know in the comments what you think. It can't be that bad, right? Because it's got like 4.5 5-star reviews and over 2,000 of them. Next, sticking with Warriors, is 6-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade. It's a 12-pack for $6.99. And this is the Bauer 2.2 amp orbital quarter sheet sander. This is going to be $19.99. It's a 20% off coupon. It was $24.99. And this is great for quickly and smoothly finishing wood. Now from Icon is this professional adjustable shop seat with tool storage in red. It's going to be $89.99, $25 off. And I believe it comes with red, black, blue, and green. It has that nice tool storage at the bottom here and the nice white casters. Now to clarify for the free tool that I talked about earlier, It's going to be the person, whoever gets it posted first with the correct percentage. And I actually mentioned it in this video. If you checked before, we'll get the tool for free. Now from Bowers, this 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower wet dry vac for $29.99. It's going to be 25% off. It was $39.99. And this is saying it has plenty of power for cleaning up liquids and dry as well. It has a washable filter, comes with this whole kit here. And it's also saying that it converts to a powerful blower as well. Has a lightweight design as well as the handle, and converts from wet to dry vac. Pretty good, decent ratings here too. Now from Fortress is this 26-gallon, 175 PSI ultra quiet oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor for $349. You're getting 50 bucks off, and it was $399. So 175 max PSI, pretty quiet as well, 69 decibels. They're saying that's up to 80% quieter than most other shop vacs. Guys, if you made it this far in the video, please like the video and leave a comment if you do find this helpful. Next from McGraw is this 6-gallon, 150 PSI oil-free pancake job site air compressor. This is going to be $99.99, so it was $130. It's a $30 off coupon, and they're saying this is ideal for nailing and stapling. Now from Bowers, this 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer. This is the tool only for $79.99. It was 100 bucks. You're getting 20% off here, and this can drive nails up to 60 nails per minute. And with this one, you do not need a compressor. But keep in mind, it is the tool only, so you will need the battery for this one. Next from Chief is this professional long barrel air hammer. Really high ratings at $119.99. It's $20 off with this coupon. And this delivers up to 65% more force per impact, they're saying. Has the lightweight, rugged, die-cast aluminum body and anti-vibration tech here. And again, that's going to be $20 off. Next from Merlin is this pistol grip blowgun. It's $3.99. You're getting $1 off, which is 20% off here. This is great for tight spaces to get with this blowgun. Now for McGraw, this is an air reciprocating saw. Really high ratings on this one as well, $21.99. You're getting 12% off. They're saying this operates at 10,000 SPMs for fast cuts through aluminum, plastic, fiberglass, sheet metal, and more. And it looks like it comes with, I think it comes with the blade. At least that's what it looks like. It comes with the 2 hex tools as well for changing that out. Next is this Pittsburgh 2-ton low pro floor jack with rapid pump in slate gray. Now this is $99.99. It was $120. You're getting $20 off here. And this is going to lift your vehicle with just 3.5 pumps. We do have this Zurich ZR4S OBD2 code reader for $39.99. It was $59.99. It's 33% off. Now this is for the master tech or someone that's going to be reading the codes a lot. You can check your battery as well. This has the latest software updates, and you don't need an app for this because it connects directly to your 3-pin or your 16-pin connector to the vehicle. Now next from Badland is this ZXR 2,500-pound ATV/utility winch with wire rope and wireless remote control. This is $59.99. It was $79. And this is going to quickly load ATVs, UTVs, lawnmowers, watercraft, and other equipment safely onto trailers using this winch. Now from Hallmaster is this 800-pound capacity full truck size rack. They're showing it without the truck just to make sure you know you're not getting the truck here with it. That's a picture with the truck. It's $50 off. It was $299. It's now going to be $249.99. And this can load up to 800 pounds securely and safely onto this rack. Now this is the one you put in the back of your vehicle. From Hallmaster is this 500-pound capacity steel cargo carrier. This is going to be 25% off at $44.99. It was 59 bucks. And this is the one you see driving down the road. People have their coolers, they have their chairs on it, and whatever you can think of. This is actually a good idea. People are putting mulch on it and yard equipment if you're coming back from like Lowe's or Home Depot. Now this is a 1,000-pound capacity 10 by 84 inches steel loading ramps. It's a set of 2. Say you're loading up your ATV onto your truck, and this is what you can use for that. This is them just loading them back into the truck here. And this is $74. It was 25% off. Now from Yukon are these 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinets with solid wood top. They come in blue, white, black, and red. These are going to be $50 off again. They have that key locking system, the solid wood work base, and they're 1,200 pounds as far as all the tools that they can store. And they have heavy duty 5x2-inch casters. Now from Central Machinery, you have these 2.5-inch table swivel vises. Now these are nice because you can attach it to the bottom to the table, or basically your workbench, and then you have the top free up to do whatever you need to. This is gonna be $19.99, it's 13% off. And guys, remember for that free tool giveaway for the XTool OBD2 reader, that's gonna be US only, just for shipping reasons. And also just remember, the question is, what was the Quinn percentage off that they were giving you on the ratchet and socket sets? It's in this video and it's in my previous video as well. So the first person to comment that will get the free tool, and I'll contact you and set that up. So go ahead and check out this next video, guys, and I really hope this video helped.